Kumno bansit lani link yo Aadhaar number ha ONSP OTR lada POE bakatho not seeded what haden mapila depsit shabang seeded kamut ban panya solang ya Aadhaar number bat kabang account jongpi menta pek hakini kidul step by step kumno bansit lani link yo Aadhaar number bat kabang account jongpi haka National Scholarship Portal haden ba pila dep paling syakibang account jongpi kabanengkong lek ha Google Chrome kabaar type NSP ha Google search bar kabalai klik haune u website National Scholarship Portal ubanengkong do nangta klik hangne students nangta scroll shidrong bad lek hangne OTR login nangta klik login but enter your OTR number jongpi but password nangta enter sa captcha code but klik login onda piladep login pinya iya ke profile jongpi ka download ki details kat kum u Aadhaar jongpi tementa lek hangne ha not seeded check it now klik hangne check it now but up sipang kombalai ne saw second haden nangta pinya iya ke message ke bapaw ha screen jongpi ke batho kumne your bank account is seeded with Aadhaar on NPCI mapper nangta klik OK hangne pinya i ba u Aadhaar jongpi ula seeded bat kabang account jongpi haden nangta pilaro ban check na u apps NSP OTR ban pentikna ba u Aadhaar number jongpi ula seeded neem bat kabang account jongpi